Oh my goodness. Be careful. Yeah, Andy is going to go. Oh yes. Good doing it. Good Andy. Good doing it. You Whiteface. Oh. Look at that. Did you see Whiteface?
Yeah.
He sucked on Andy's face and she's like, okay. Yeah, oh, there you go. Oh. Come on. Good baby. Yes. Oh, mama's baby. Yeah. Look at you.
He's a goldfish. Such a goldfish, too.
Okay.
Everybody eats koi. Well, not everybody.
What are these guys with big boots?
This goldfish coming up.
It is the black one.
Yeah.
Hey, baby. Here, Molly.
I'm going to get out here in the light where I can see him. You got to kind of coax him out here to get him back there in the shadows. So I don't know if the camera will pick him up.
We're all over with. Hey, Molly. No, you guys go over there. Go over there. Sit down. I don't know what Ollie wants.
He's back in the shadows.
Hey, Whiteface. Hello. Here you go. Oh, the baby. Oh, the big monsters scare me. Oh, look. Oh, there he is. He's still trying to fix one.
Where is he?
Right here. Come this way. If I can get him to come up here. No candy.
Candy's coming up from behind.
I know. She's
There's
had
Mocha.
enough. Mocha and Quicksilver, and then they've had enough. Go away.
Yeah,
Go away.
well, they don't seem to agree with you.
There he is. There's Ollie. Oh, he went back over there again. Because all the other ones, you keep pushing them out of the way. Oh, you two piggies. There you go, Whiteface. There you go. You guys are so terrible. Yeah. Candy, you're just a little pig and a Brutus. Yes, you are. You're a little Brutus. Yeah.